How did you manage to? How did you manage to resist my hypnosis? No one... You shouldn't be able to. No one should be able to. It's impossible.
You made me do this. I didn't want to do this. You left me no choice.
I don't understand how you managed to. You almost knew exactly what to strike if I hadn't dodged out of the way you would have.
You think I wanted to do this? You think I wanted to hurt you? I never wanted to hurt anybody. I didn't ask for this. I didn't ask for any of this. I was just protecting what is mine. You attacked my daughter. You attacked us first. And you expect me to just sit idly by and let you take the only things I have left? The only family and kin I have left? You have no idea what I've been through. You have no right to take all these innocent monsters and make them your little puppets. All these monsters, all these poor souls, you have under your control and your influence, and have for decades now, at least 1 decade. Do you think I'm stupid, Bags? Do you really think I don't know the truth of the ley lines under the underground? Look around you. I can feel it. All of them. All of them forced into a sense of bliss by your hypnosis. I can feel it. Not even knowing it. They have no idea. And you just sit idly by and let it all happen. How can you live with yourself? All the masses under here that you're fooling. Having no idea, living day in and day out with nothing more than a fake, messed up lie.
Everything I ever did was to protect them, was to protect everyone and find the best possible future.
Bullshit! Don't give me that bullshit! Oh yeah? If everything, oneness was so good, and your intentions were just to better the future for monsterkind and the human race both. Yeah? What about Papyrus? What about Frisk? What about Flowey? What about her? What about her?
What in the hell are you talking about?
Miss Snowdrake! You slaughtered her in cold blood! Remember? Ring a bell, Bone Man!
Shut up. You intolerant little insolent insect. You have no idea of what you speak. You should learn to hold your tongue and have some manners. You think I wanted her dead? The guilt of that action haunts me every night. Once she was brought back with the determination experiments. It was a fate worse than death. Of course I had to act. I put her out of her misery, along with that red, goopy thing.
Memory Head. His name is Memory Head. Liar! Liar! Liar, 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 liar! And worst of all, you made me no better than you. Look what you turned me into. I never wanted to hurt anyone. Never wanted to hurt you or anyone. You're not him. You're not Sans. You're not my Sans.